headed south. I'm not sure where they're headed, but probably Homer at this point. I'm off to go camping. So if you're a subscriber, or if you see this, it's Washington Westy. Drop in the DMs and say hi. It's a good looking little ride. Decided to go camp at the beach. We got here just in time to see somebody hooked up with a fish. Gotta give it to a son, that's awesome. Something relaxing about sitting by a campfire while you're eating dinner. Just about dark. Got the campfire ripping. Looks like I got some neighbors way down the beach, about a mile. They're doing the same thing. They're having a big old fire and just enjoying the beautiful night. I would show you, it's what time is it? 10:40 p.m. It is unfortunately no longer midnight sun here in Alaska. We are on the back end of it. But it's still a beautiful night and we still got a nice campfire, so we're gonna enjoy it. Fire's burning down. Hoping to get a little northern lights tonight. Apparently it's supposed to have been shining, but I haven't seen anything yet. Still pretty heavy cloud cover though. But the fire's warm. Wind's blowing a little bit, and it's a beautiful evening. It's nice and warm. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this until it's gone. Well, that's all that's left, and it's let's see, it is midnight exactly. So I'm gonna go ahead and go jump in the Vanagon and go to bed. And it's starting to rain, so even a better time. Anyhow, I'll kick some sand over this, and I'm off to bed. We'll see you again tomorrow. Not a bad way to wake up. A little blue sky here and there. Just happens to be a big patch above me. But looks like it's going to be a pretty decent day. I'm going to go try to find something to do.